Pisces. So, magandang araw po sa kanilang mga Piscean. Okay, so, water sign. Kamusta po kayong lahat at sana ay nasa masaya tayong weekend today. So, weekend ko po ginagawa itong aking tarot reading. Sa mga shout out sa mga OFW na nagtatrabaho na kamukha ko. Enjoy tayo ngayong weekend. Mamaya punta tayo sa mall ulit. Magkape-kape doon at tumambay hanggang alas 5. Okay, free air condition. Okay, so Pisces, tignan natin tong reading natin for July 15 to 21. So, salamat po sa pagsubaybay. Sana meron tayo makapagbigay ako ng konting ano ba tawag? Ano ba yung maibibigay ko? So, entertainment. Kung entertainment, ma-entertain kayo. So, kwentuhang tarot. So, gusto natin na use the tarot card as a medium to motivate or they give a different perspective. Okay? So, hindi po ako magbibigay ng advice. At kayo po yung magde-decide. So, kung makukonect sa reading to this week, para sa inyo po yan. So, Pisces, tignan natin. So, shout out po kayo kung nasaan kayong lugar. Nandito po ako sa Indonesia. Okay. Kakain siguro ako ng nasi goreng or sambal. It's very spicy. Sino ba mahilig sa spices dyan? Okay. So, Pisces. Malagkit Malagkit. Okay. Bakit malagkit? Okay. Ayan, kaya pala ano yung iniisip mo na hindi ka makatulog? Napapuntong hininga ako. Hindi po ako tumatawa dahil sa situation ni I know how it feels. Okay, yung mga ganyang Eight of Swords. Okay. Pisces, relationship, matter. Okay. Very deep blue ang color ni Pisces. Yung isang binasa ko kanina, very red siya, all red. Now you are in blue, deep blue, light blue sky. I think it's turquoise. One of my favorite color, turquoise. Okay, Pisces, very sticky. Okay. So, ano man yung natapon na tasa, tingnan mo na lang natin yung half full, half empty mentality dapat. Half full, half empty. Normal lang to ano ba yung balita? Okay, naka-blue ulit siya. Tingnan ko pa, isa pa. Kuha pa ako ng isa. Okay, tingnan ko. Quick shuffle. Malagkit ang okay, isa pa. Okay, breadwinner, you're on your own. Mind over matter. Ano pang dapat mong iniisip? Okay. Business, medyo mabigat yung business. Merong bang hindi nagbayad o tumakbo? Or you trusted somebody na okay, pinagkatiwalaan or dahil sa balita merong lumipad na parang bula. Ano ba yung balita na yon na kailangan mong or you are obligated and you're expecting a possible loss? Oops, hindi I'm not saying na possible po iyon, ha? Wag tayong ano. But despite that, okay, you're in a solid situation. So I think, okay, it's something that I can say here. So it's all in your head. It's all on your head. Meron ka bang ini-expect from the other people? It can be reversed. You're the one on a situation na you have to give, the other one is to receive, the other one is to, kumbaga sana ikaw yung nangutang o ikaw yung nagpautang. So depends on the situation. So and then one is something na you're expecting a possible na hindi ka mabayaran, or natapon na yung tasa, pero despite that, it's not something na, well, medyo siguro it's a sizable amount or something. Kumbaga sa ano, damandama damandama ba yung ano. So it's something na that keeps you awake at night. Okay, so agreement, but you have your heart on it. So I don't think may choice ka dito. Wala kang choice. It's an obligation. And you are ready for that. I think alam mo ito. Maybe to some, maybe not. Some hindi. Pero to some extent, you have an idea. Okay? Or may hinihintay ka pang clarity, may outcome. Okay, so something to that effect. So again, depends sa timeline ng ating situation. So that's something na si Pisces lang ang makakaintindi. So yeah, so yun ang reading sa'yo, Pisces. So that's the energy. So this is not for everybody. It's very specific itong reading na ito. Yeah, so good luck, Pisces. So but it's on a nice footing, and the energy, you ano ka, diva ka na rin naman, you're on the stage of that ano ba tawag, kumbaga sa career, nandiyan ka na sa C-suite. So it's in ano, hindi na yung something na baguhan ka. Okay, so yeah, so enjoy, Pisces. So whatever it is, so good luck and see you again. Salamat.